where shadows whisper over me. But in the dark, I heard you say, I'll lead you home. Just trust my way. Even here, I'm not alone. You are with me, you are close. You lead me by still water. You calm my restless soul. Through every fear and valley, you never let me go. In quiet fields of mercy, your voice becomes my guide. You lead me by still water, and I am satisfied. The road was long, my strength was gone, but still your love kept pulling on. A gentle hand, a steady light. You walked with me through every night. No fear of shadow, no fear of fall. Your goodness follows through it.